Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna compare Sony Mark III versus Airpods Pro. So let's look at the features very quickly. The Sony's Mark III's come with noise cancellation. You have charging case and earbuds. You have 6 hours with noise cancellation on. You have 8 hours with noise cancellation off. Total hours of battery, it is going to be 24 hours. You have active noise cancellation where you can download the Sony's app to control the audio quality. You can download the Sony's app to control the audio quality and the noise cancellation. So the Airpods come with H1 chips. It's a newer chip, it's better connection. It is come with the sweat resistant and you have a Bluetooth 5.0. You have 4 hours of use with the noise cancellation on, and you have 24 hours of use without the noise cancellation. And it is around 249 pounds. So both of them support noise cancellation. Both of them have a really good battery life. Let's try the Sony's first, and we're gonna see what is the audio quality and how this works, and we're gonna listen to a few songs, and also we're gonna watch a video to see any lag, any delays on the audio. So we're gonna try to listen to this song with that audio to see how that loud. So it's quite loud. It's louder than the Samsung Bud for sure. And the noise cancellation levels is quite well. Really good noise cancellation. It's cut out everything out. Just a single tap, turn on the noise cancellation, cut all the noises out. A single tap is give you ambient sound. So let's but I would like to have a little bit more louder audio. So it's quite clear. So now we're gonna play something else. So let's listen to the song because it's kind of a lot of lyrics, so we can see if there's any audio delays. So it's clear. I heard exactly the same words. There is no delays. They are clear. You're having issue. So they're very clear on the audio. So there is no distortion or any delays. So the audio is very clear, no distortion, or there is no crackle. Even in the volumes goes up, down, the audio quality remain the same. Listen to both of the headphones. Both of them have their pros and cons. So let's look at them one by one. Both have a quick charge. Both offers noise cancellation. Both have a really good microphones for phone calls, and both offer really good bass. But which one is better? On phone call, the AirPods perform much better. so you have a much better audio, much better connection on the phone call wise on the AirPods. The noise cancellation is decent. They have a really good battery life. This is 24 hours of battery on the Sony's buds, so you do get same battery life and you get a much better noise cancellation without even going into the apps. Sony one actually cheaper than the AirPods. Sony one is around £200, the AirPods are £249, so you are paying actually £40 extra to get a much less noise cancellation. If you want a good noise cancellation, the Sony's Mark III going to be one of the best headphone to go. So you're getting a much better noise cancellation, you have much better control on the noise cancellation, and also you have a much better control on the audio quality, and you're getting decent phone calls. On the AirPods, you are paying £249. The noise cancellation is decent. I wouldn't say one of the best or even close to best. They don't have much bass. Yes, they have a much better bass compared with the older AirPods, but when you're comparing with the premium headphone, which is Sony, Bose, Sennheiser, they don't have similar bass. Can't control the noise cancellation. You pretty much is on and off. But on the Sonys, you can turn on, turn off. At the same time, you can change the noise cancellation level, depends on your environment. So if you guys are looking for a really good pair of noise cancellation headphone, Sony Mark III will be your best headphone to go. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share the videos. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.